Hi everyone, today we are making a delicious spaghetti aglio olio, a classic Italian pasta dish. It's incredibly simple, quick to make and packed with Mediterranean flavor. Then with a few basic ingredients we are going to create a comforting and satisfying meal. Let's go! I start this nice recipe in a saucepan full of water and a little bit of salt. Then I'm going to prepare the garlic. We are going to cook it for 4 people, then 4 cloves of garlic. It's easy to remember, and just in case you have all the ingredients into the description below. As usual, I'm removing the sprout. It's going to cook quick, then we are going to chop it as finely as possible. I take 1 hot chili pepper, and it has to be a little bit spicy. I just remove the white parts and the grains. And yeah, I wanted to make this special recipe because it's very special for me. It reminds me when I was working on a boat and the chief cook, he was an Italian guy. And when he made those pasta, all the crew, we were like, wow, it's so good. Very simple, I must say, but we were so happy to eat during the break. Same as garlic, we want to chop it as finely as possible. Then I take a large saucepan, and here it's the same, 4 tablespoons for 4 people. That's olive oil, of course. And then we add the garlic and the hot chili pepper on low heat. I repeat, it's very important because you can burn the garlic very easily. Then on low heat, you won't burn it. And for the garlic, you want to cook it before it starts to brown. It will last maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I add a little salt. And then I'm going to cook the pasta. And of course, you know me, they are fresh pasta that I made myself, but you can use dried pasta as well. What is very important here is that you cook the pasta before al dente, because you are going to finish the pasta into the large saucepan. Yeah, perfect. The garlic and the hot chili pepper will perform this nice dish. And of course, if you want more Mediterranean recipes like this one, just subscribe to the channel. And after maybe 50 seconds, because they are fresh, and you finish cooking the pasta, just like a risotto, with the water. It will help us to make a creamy sauce. That's what we want. Yeah, I love so much this creamy sound. Then I take a few leaves of parsley that I'm going to chop. And of course, make sure the heat is off when you add the fresh herbs. You always want to add the fresh herbs at the end of a recipe, actually. Otherwise, you will burn the flavor. I'm doing the final seasoning, black pepper and salt. Of course, not too much black pepper because it's already spicy, thanks to the hot chili pepper. Perfect and very simple. It definitely looks like an Italian flag. And that's it. Now you know how to make a delicious spaghetti aglio e olio. Thanks for watching. If you don't want to miss more easy Mediterranean recipes like this one, make sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.